close. Open. Close. Open. Good. A little warm up here in this thoracic. This left shoulder blade. Now I'm going to come a little bit deeper and test the muscles. Okay, we're going to look at the butt cheeks now. So we've got the right one is lower and the left one is higher, which means the left one is rotated forward, is anterior superior, left one posterior inferior. The left one is flat and the right is more rounded, which means the right has gone externally rotated and the left has gone internally rotated. Alright, just normal walk towards me. Alright, looking at the feet first. Left external rotation. Walk back towards that way. Does it on both sides. It's worse on the left. That's some ballet training right there, isn't it? Okay, keeping your knee straight, lift this leg in the air.
Full leg.
And down. Okay. Tender?
Yeah.
Tender?
Not as much.
More here. How's that pressure, okay? And out. Shoulders relax. Good. Breathe. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's adjust this AS here. Nice gentle breath in. So we're gonna do a push. Pi Z form. Good, let your shoulders relax. I know you like to control things.
Yeah.
So it helps a little bit if you close your eyes and then just breathe softly in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. Now let your head drop. Good. Let your shoulders drop. Good.
Yay.
Good. Loosey-goosey here. Let your shoulders relax. Good.
Like they would always been super cool. Like when I was really little, and I'd usually like go sleep with my mother, just like freak out if my foot touched her. Fun fact about me.